These are 6 of the most beautiful spring flowers you can plant to create a vibrant, unforgettable garden this season. From cheerful early bloomers to lush, fragrant showstoppers, each of these flowers adds its own charm, color, and personality to your spring garden. Whether you're just starting your gardening journey or refreshing an established space, these spring flowers are reliable, beautiful, and surprisingly easy to grow. Some thrive in full sun, others prefer gentle shade, and together they create layers of color that last throughout the season. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which blooms will work best in your own garden space. Daffodils are often the first sign that spring has truly arrived. Their bright yellow, trumpet-shaped blooms instantly bring warmth and optimism to garden beds. Hardy and dependable, they're perfect for beginners and look especially stunning when planted in clusters along borders or pathways. Daffodils thrive in sunny spots with well-drained soil. Once planted, they require minimal care and are even resistant to deer, which makes them a reliable choice in many regions. Plant the bulbs in groups to create waves of cheerful color. After blooming, allow the foliage to fade naturally so the bulbs can store energy for the following year. With very little effort, they'll return each spring even stronger. Tulips are classic spring favorites known for their graceful shapes and wide range of vibrant colors. From deep purples to bright reds and soft pastels, they add elegance and bold personality to any garden design. They prefer sunny locations and soil that drains well. Tulips perform beautifully when planted in groups, and choosing different varieties can extend your blooming season. Place bulbs in the soil with the pointed side facing up, then water lightly. Tulips also make wonderful cut flowers, continuing to grow even after being placed in a vase. Forget-me-nots may be small, but their delicate sky blue petals create a stunning carpet of color in spring. They're perfect for borders, woodland gardens, or filling in gaps between larger plants. These charming flowers prefer moist, well-drained soil and thrive in partial shade. One of their most delightful qualities is their ability to self-seed, returning year after year. Sow seeds directly in early spring or late summer, and keep the soil consistently moist while they establish. Over time, they'll gently spread and create a soft, romantic ground cover. Peonies are true showstoppers, known for their lush petals and unforgettable fragrance. Their large blooms make them a focal point in any garden and a favorite for cutting and bringing indoors. They thrive in sunny locations with well-drained soil. Although they take time to establish, peonies can bloom beautifully for decades once settled. Water during dry periods and consider light support for heavy blossoms. With patience, you'll be rewarded with abundant blooms every spring. Snapdragons add height and playful texture to spring gardens. Their tall, spiky blooms come in a range of vibrant colors, creating vertical interest in beds and containers. They thrive in cooler temperatures and appreciate regular watering. Snapdragons are also wonderful for attracting bees and butterflies. Plant them in early spring and remove spent blooms to encourage continued flowering. Their upright growth makes them perfect for layering behind shorter plants. Anemones bring a delicate yet dramatic look to spring gardens. With bold colors and striking centers, they stand out beautifully among softer blooms. They prefer cooler climates, partial shade, and soil that drains well. Their blooms can last for several weeks, adding long-lasting color. Plant from bulbs or seeds and water regularly during dry spells. Allow foliage to die back naturally to support next season's growth. From the cheerful brightness of daffodils to the romantic fullness of peonies and the playful height of snapdragons, each of these flowers offers something unique. Some bloom early, others last longer, and together they create layers of texture, fragrance, and color that define spring. Choosing a mix of these blooms can give your garden both structure and seasonal charm. You'll find the full growing guides and detailed planting tips for each of these flowers linked below. Take your time, choose the ones that inspire you most, and start creating your own colorful spring garden. Happy planting!